Having OnTime as an integrated part of your Microsoft Teams is a massive help for when you're working in groups, and I'm going to show you how you as an admin can create an OnTime application for Microsoft Teams available for your whole organization. So in order to install the OnTime app, I need to go to my OnTime admin client and to the MS Teams tab. Here I have my OnTime domains, so what I first need to do is register the application. To do this, I need the application ID and the security key. So if I click on the button up here, it takes me to the dashboard of the Azure Active Directory Admin Center. From here, I go to my app registrations and click to make a new one up here. Give it a name. I will call this one OnTime Demo. Click on the accounts in any organizational directory and type in a redirect URL. The redirect URL is your OnTime server's DNS name, followed by /ontimegcms/code.html. So in this case, it's going to be otmstutorialnew.introvision.dk/ontimegcms/code.html, since our OnTime service's DNS name is otmstutorialnew.introvision.dk. When I'm done with this, I just say register. Next, I have to go to the authentication section, just to take off the access token box down here and click save. I am now going to go to the overview, and here I have my application ID, so I will just copy that to clipboard, go to the OnTime admin and paste it in there. Go back to the Azure portal, and here I am going to create 2 API permissions. Click on Add Permission, go to Microsoft Graph, Delegate Permission. If I search for offline, I have the permission saying offline access. Enable that one and add permission. The other one I need to add is also under Graph, but here I'm going to Application Permission. Type in directory and choose the directory read all and add that permission too. So now that is done. In order to authorize the application, I needed a secret key. So to do that, I go to this tab over here, and then I click on New Client Secret. Write a description, I'm just going to call it OnTime, and put in the expiration, and say Add. Now I have the secret key down here, so I copy that one, go to the OnTime admin, and paste it in there. And save. When that is done, I click to authorize and get code. Agree here and accept the terms, and you should now get a success page. So just close that, and now your domain is authorized. So next, in order to create the OnTime Teams app, I need to edit a JSON file and zip it together with some images. I go into my install package and then I choose Teams. I'm just going to take img and manifest.json and move it into a temporary folder just to make it easier to see what I'm doing. First, I'm going to edit the manifest.json file. I'm going to go in and find valid domains and replace that one with the one I'm using, which is introvision.dk. Underneath this, I have the configurable tabs area. Here I'm going to replace the example.com with the DNS name for my own OnTime server. So that is going to be otmstutorialneo.introvision.dk. And lastly, I will just save that. Now I'm going to go back to my temporary folder and zip these two together. I will call it teams.zip. And that is what I need when making my OnTime application available in MS Teams. But before I get that far, I need to create a path to the OnTime client on the Tomcat server. I do this from the Teams folder when I'm in the installation package. What I'm going to do now is run the add URL config as an administrator, which opens up this box. Here I have to write the URL of my OnTime server. So in this case, that would be otmstutorialnew.introvision.dk, and then click enter. So now I've created a config.html and I've saved a copy in the Tomcat Web Apps folder. If I look at the config.html now, I can look to make sure that the server name is correct, and I can then check if the URL works. I check it by trying it in a web browser, and as you can see here, it works perfectly. Lastly, it is now time to make the OnTime app available for my MS Teams users. So what I have to do is to open MS Teams and go to the Store tab, logged in with administrator privileges, and say upload a custom app for your organization. Now I take the zip file that I created before, and then I am basically done. So now if I am a user and I want to use OnTime within one of my teams, I'm doing this directly from the team itself. I'm just going to go to the project Next CRM and the design team channel. Here I want to add the OnTime group calendar for all the team members as a tab, which I do by clicking on the plus. I just need to locate OnTime, and then when I click on it, you can see that the URL is already filled out. So I will click Use these settings and save. That is all I as a user need to do in order to get the group calendar as a tab. In here, it will always have all the people who are in the team, and it automatically keeps up to date if someone leaves or joins the team, or changes are made in people's calendar. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.